Hello, and today I'm going to make you show how to do a high score. So first off, you go to the variables, make a variable, and if you're a new scratcher, then this is not possible, but it has to say scratcher. If it does not say scratcher, then you cannot do cloud variables, and you cannot do a high score without cloud variables. Okay, so first off, so just call it hi, make a variable. It has to be cloud variable. Click this for all sprites. Yeah, well, it's always going to be for all sprites, but so call it high score. High score, whatever. And then it is going to be like this. And yeah, it can only do no number, only simple numbers, not letters or symbols, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Then you go here, it's high score. So it's normal readout. And then, so you have your game and you want to have a high score. So when flag clicked, let's make it equal. When flag clicked, forever, if then block. If score, score greater than high score, set high score to score. It's actually pretty simple. Then if you have like a game, maybe a clicker maybe, okay? If you have that, then you just like, this is gonna work. So change score. See, look, and now it goes with the high score. Bye, this is simple.